wozani, phuthumani guys, phuthumani. Iholide namhlanje. Wozani sizoxoxa indaba kaBabantini. Hey, uyabona-ke namhlanje siyahleba. I-disclaimer-ke guys, listen. I know ukuthi uLungelo had said ukuthi uyadisturbeka masikhuluma ngoma wakhe. So, yabona guys, shame, yazi Lungelo, we apologize, uyabona. So nje asisezosho ukuthi uMasawula masikhuluma ngoMasawula. From now on sizothi nje unkosikazi uMamthethwa, so that yabona uLungele engezoshayeka enhlizweni every time masithi uMasawula. Uyabona nje guys. Uyabona, because I do understand, yabo. I know I've lost a sister, and every time somebody says her name, uyabona nje, it hits there in the heart. So sizothi uMamthethwa. Understand guys, but vele uzokwazi ukuthi sikhuluma ngaye, but nje just nje ukuthi senze izinto zibe light. Understand. Wozani ke guys la. So remember ukuthi uLungelo mayikhuluma ngoma wakhe laphayana, the last video I did wayepostile laphayana ku-Instagram, wathi uLungelo uma wakhe uMamthethwa ushone 20 years ago. How? Sathi masibuka ukuthi 20 years ago uma wakho washona 20 years ago, uMakhumalo una 36. Njani manje? How ngesingisi? How? Okay, let's speak English for those who are speaking English. So what we are saying, guys, is that because Lungelo was saying that he feels a way when we talk about his mother since she is late, now we are going to call Masawula Mamthethwa, just to make things a little bit easy. We do know that still he will know that we are talking about his mother, but we are just trying to ease way things for him, because we do know that, there is no way that we can't talk about his mother when we are talking about the show. But we are trying to find ways to be a little bit sensitive. So whenever we say Mamthethwa, we are talking about Masawula. We are trying to be sensitive. So the last time uLungelo posted about his mother, he said Mamthethwa passed away 20 years ago. And now, when we did our mathematics, because we did not do maths late, but even those who did maths late, they are still able to calculate, because with maths late, you do subtraction and addition too. So, if Makhumalo is 36 and Mamthethwa died 20 years ago, then it means Mamthethwa died when uMakhumalo was 16. SAPS ningakopi, Child Protection Services ningakopi, the numbers. We need the numbers. Social workers nani kopi, 20 years ago. Okay. Man ngakholwa. If you go back to season 6, episode 10, if you go back to season 6, episode 10, uMakhumalo is having a sit down with uLungelo. They are talking about ukudlula emhlabeni kukaMamthethwa, the passing of Mamthethwa. Makhumalo says it from her own mouth. Okay. She says that Lungelo must have been 10. She says, if my memory serves me well, Lungelo must have been 10 when Mamthethwa passed away. Mamthethwa being Lungelo's mom. Lungelo must have been 10. Lungelo, on the other hand, in the very same sit down, he says, I think I was 12 when my mother passed away. And I think Lungelo is in his early 30s. So the information that we can trust must be Lungelo, because maybe Lungelo is 32 and Makhumalo is thinking Lungelo is in his 30s, maybe 30. Okay. Now, if he was 10, according to Makhumalo, let's just take Makhumalo's information. If he was 10, okay, 10 plus 20, Lungelo is 30. Okay, according to Makhumalo. If we take Lungelo's information, if he was 12, 12 plus 20, then Lungelo is 32. He is still in his 30s. Okay. He needs to find a girlfriend, though. He said he's single. He looks very cute. I don't understand that. Okay. Do we have any singles over here? He does TikTok lives over there where he's looking for a girlfriend. So do make sure that you go join the lives. Okay. Now, here is a situation. Okay. Here is a situation. The age of 16. There's an age of 16 that we have been talking about for months and months and months and months, and nobody wants to clarify for us. Okay. There is another scene, you guys, on Uthando Nesthembu where Umpilo is talking to her mother. She is about to have a 16th birthday, and she says to her mother, "Yo, ma, anyway, you were already Kamselugu when you were 16," and they laugh about it. Okay, let me say it in English. She says, "You, mom, you were already here at the Mselegu household or homestead when you were 16, and below is about to turn 16. And you remember those who are the members. Okay, remember the police report, the alleged police report. You have to be a member to know about the alleged police report, okay? But our bank account doesn't allow us to talk about the alleged police report in the non-membership videos. You understand? It was because of the age of 16 that the alleged police report exists or allegedly existed. But you have to join the membership to know the details of the alleged police report. Do you understand? Okay, now, Makhumalo goes on to tell a story of the day that Mam Tetwa passes on. She says that Mam Tetwa had visited her at 6 a.m. in the morning. Now, you guys, now, let's be real now, guys. Let's be real, okay? Who wakes up in the morning and drives from Margate, from the suburbs, drives in the gravels of Umzumbe. Even me, Mzinyati, even now I miss my mother, but it's been raining. It's like Mangsuga in the tar to my mother's house. It's like what, 300 meters? 300. But I'm lazy to go there today because I'm going to have to go for that distance. Now it's like 10 o'clock. If I drive 12 o'clock, I'll be at home. Because I'm just like I'm sitting here, I'm thinking about that that short Tanyana distance. Do you know how much Puku you have to drive in Mzumbe? You are telling me that this woman was at Umzumbe, not Mzumbe Kamselek, not Mzumbe Kamselek, no, Mzumbe Kamakumalo, at the Kumalo household, at the Kumalo homestead, Ma Mtetwa. Did I say Mam Tetwa? Did you say we're going to call her Mam Tetwa? But guys, you know who we're talking about. Mam Tetwa left her comfortable Margate house with her duvet, honey. Okay, with her comfortable duvet, her flushing toilet at 6 o'clock in the morning. It was probably a weekend or a holiday. And at 6 o'clock in the morning, and went via Mzumbe kaKhumalo ngo-6. What was so urgent that she needed to go visit Makhumalo at 6 o'clock in the morning? What was so urgent that she needed to go and see Makhumalo, who was dating her husband, at 6 o'clock in the morning, who was 16 years old? What was so urgent for Mam Tetwa to go and see the child that was 16 years old at 6 o'clock in the morning at her home? If a woman arrived here at my house, a married woman at that, to see Lungi, who is, by the way, about to turn 21 at 6 o'clock in the morning, and a woman is here to see my child about her husband at 6 o'clock in the morning, you are going to have to tell me what you're doing at my house, honey, or I'm calling the police. Let alone if Lungi was 16 years old. That is not happening, honey. You are not getting in the gate, honey. Because you're going to have to tell me what you're doing at my house with my child. If whatever you are here to talk about has to do with your husband, but that day I will have it. It does not make sense. That story has never made sense. The only way that story would make sense if that day was the day that Mam Tetwa had found out that the child, the 16-year-old child that she had been having lunch with at her house, because even Marquez said that she was already living at her house and coming home over the weekends. What is not making sense is that she says that she was already staying at her house and coming home over the weekend. Because back then, it was not making sense is that when had you done your matric, honey? For you to be working at the office already and not coming home only over the weekend and living at this woman's house, and the husband is coming to see the wife, and you are already dating the husband. The only way that this story makes sense is if that was the day that this woman found out that you were dating her husband and she arrived at 6 o'clock in the morning, because there's no way I'm sleeping if I find out that you're dating my husband and I had already let you into my house, honey, because 6 o'clock I'm at your house. And if I'm driving back to my house, I'm already distraught and I might just have an accident on my way back to my house. Who visits somebody at 6 o'clock in the morning in the rurals? Somebody that you're not related to, somebody that is dating your husband, and that person is 16, possibly younger than that. Because if she, Mam Tetwa, passed away 20 years ago, then that child was 16 years old. The math is not mathing. They need to give us something different, because if they are giving us this math, is not mathing. And one thing that they have been doing is that every time that they have showed us Mam Tetwa's grave, they make sure that the years that are written on that grave as is born, because they know that if they show us that, we are going to take the calculator and calculate, because we did the math and the math leads. That story doesn't make sense. Nobody visits somebody at 6 o'clock in the morning. Just who arrives at somebody's house at 6 o'clock in the morning? Who arrives at the house of a 16-year-old, a married woman, goes and visits the house of a child. Even herself, she calls herself ingane. She says, mina ngangiyingane, yena she was a grown woman that was working. She even says it herself. Who goes and visits ingane in a 16 at home? What? And by the way, Makumalo's mom and dad are gonna have to tell us how they ever allowed that ish, because that thing doesn't make sense. How do you have a married woman come to your house to see your young child about her husband? What kind of nonsense is that? We have let a lot of ish go on this show. What nonsense is this that we are watching on this show? Oh, bengithanda mina mama. Wayengeve ngithanda mina mama. No. No. You were a child. She came to your mother's house to see you at 6 o'clock in the morning. You were the last person that she saw. What did you talk about? Because nobody visits somebody at 6 o'clock in the morning. Okay? BS.